Sometimes you just may need to create a reference or an in-text citation very quickly, and you will need to generate a bibliography when you're away from home, for example, and you're on the move. Now, Zotero has a product which is completely free, and it's called ZoteroBib, which you can access using the link that I provided for this module. And what it allows you to do is enter, as it says here, the URL, the ISBN, the DOI, PubMed ID, Archive ID, or title of the document in question. And then that will generate a bibliography in the style of your choice. So what do I mean by a DOI? When we are accessing a piece of research, each journal article will have its own DOI, or digital object identifier, which I've highlighted here. It's a unique identifier for this particular paper. So I'm going to copy that and paste it into the ZoteroBib generator and click on Cite. This will then generate the bibliography entry as shown here in the format of your choice. If you do need to edit that in any way, you can click on Edit, and as you can see here, you can specify the type of item it is, edit the title as well as the authors and other bibliographic information. If you do need to change that particular output, you can use the drop down box and select the relevant citation style available from this list, or click on this option to take you through to, as it says there, 10,000 plus styles that are available for you to choose from. So ZoteroBib is not going to replace your Zotero library, but it's quick and easy if you just need to generate a bibliography item very, very quickly.